Hello friend, welcome again in my YouTube channel. So today I discussing about the Constitution of India, Article 1 to Article 4, that is the Union and its territory, which is described in the Constitution of India in Article 1 to Article 4. So first of all, please like my video, subscribe my channel. So now come to the topic. So first of all, Article 1 describe name and territory of India. Article 1 Clause 1, India, that is Bharat, shall be union of a state. Article 1 Clause 2, the state and territory thereof shall be specified in the first schedule. Means all the state and union territory is specified in Schedule 1 of the Constitution. And Article 1 Clause 3, the territory of India shall be the territory of the state, the union territory specified in the first schedule, and the such other territory as may be acquired. Sometimes India acquired territory like Goa, Pondicherry, and many more from the foreign state. So that is also included in territory of India. Just like example of acquired territory is Pondicherry, ceded to India by the French government in 1954, administered as the acquired territory until 1962. In 1963, Pondicherry is the union territory. Okay, so this is the all about Articles 1. Now come to the Article 2. In Article 2, the Constitution maker describe the admission or establishment of new state. Parliament, that is the power of Parliament, may be law admit into a union or establish new state on such terms and condition as it think fit. Let us concentrate on the statement as it think fit. That means as Parliament think whatever terms and condition any other territory admit into the Indian Union, this is only depend on Parliament. There is no mention what he think fit as the condition he think fit. So Article 2, admission or establishment of new state. Now come to the example of Article 2. Example, Sikkim. Under in before Sikkim is come into the Indian Union, before Sikkim under a hereditary monarch called Chogyal. Okay, means Chogyal is the king of Sikkim, and Sikkim as the ruled by Chogyal monarch. In spring of 1973, Government of Sikkim Act 1974, Chogyal turned into the normal constitutional head, and after the 35 Amendment Act of the Constitution 1974, Sikkim is admitted into the Indian Union. Now come to the Article 3, formation of new state. Means Parliament may by law first form a new state by separation of territory from any state, or by uniting two or more state or part of a state, or by uniting any territory to part of any state. Means the Parliament can increase the boundary of a state, decrease the bond, diminish the bond area of any state, increase the area of any state. After the boundary of any state, alter the name of any state. Means Parliament can change the name of a state. Parliament can increase the area of a state. Parliament bifurcate the state into two parts. Parliament can trifurcate into the state into three parts. Parliament, but a state alone cannot do it. Only Parliament can increase, diminish, alter the boundary, alter the name of the state. So this is described detail in Article 3 of the Indian Constitution. Now come to the Article 4. Laws made under the Article 2 and 3 to provide for amendment of the first and the fourth schedule. Means if in Article 2 we know that it is described that Parliament may be law admit new state into the Union, Indian Union. So in Schedule 1 all state and union territory is listed. So if in Article 4 it is described that the law made under Article 2 and 3 to provide after amendment of the first and fourth schedule are supplemented, and means in Article Clause 1 all the state and union territory is mentioned. So if you change Article 3 and Article 3, then you also change first clause and fourth clause. This is mentioned in Article 4. Okay. So in 1950, today India have 29 state and 8 union territory, but in 1950 India has only several states like Bombay, Madras, Jammu Kashmir, Mysore, Hyderabad, Coorg, Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar. In October 1953, first linguistic state Andhra Pradesh is created. Then after a state reorganization commission is set up. First of all, Faisal Ali Commission, H.N. Kungru Commission, K.M. Panikar Commission. This is all related to the State Reorganization Commission. In December 1953, submitted report in 1955, means a State Reorganization Commission. The member was Faisal Ali, H.N. Kungru and the K.M. Panikar. Submitted report in 1955 and broadly accept the language as the basis of reorganization. And then after in 1955, 14 state and 6 union territory is created. But after that, big state like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh is bifurcated into 2 states, and now till date 28 state and 8 union territory is in India. So this is all about Article 1 to Article 4 of the Indian Constitution. So thank you very much. If you watch my video, if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like and share and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.